Looking for that one perfect plant to fill an empty corner or make your living room feel more alive? Let's explore 12 tall indoor trees that don't just grow. They elevate your space. We're starting off with a classic that's said to bring more than just good looks. 1. Money tree. Pachira aquatica. Also known as the lucky tree, the money tree is loved not only for its braided trunk and tropical leaves, but also for its symbolism. It's believed to attract good luck and positive energy, especially when placed in the wealth corner of your home. It grows fast, thrives in bright, indirect light, and only needs water when the top inch of soil dries out. Keep it in a stylish planter and let it stand tall. It can grow up to 6 feet indoors. 2. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Bold, dramatic, and undeniably chic, the rubber plant makes a strong statement with its thick, glossy leaves and upright form. It's a forgiving plant that loves bright, indirect light, but it can adapt to medium light too. Water when the soil dries out halfway and avoid overwatering. In the right spot, it can reach 8 to 10 feet tall, turning your room into a modern green escape. 3. Weeping fig, Ficus benjamina. This elegant tree has a soft, flowing look thanks to its arching branches and small teardrop-shaped leaves. It's perfect if you want a plant with movement and grace. It can grow quite tall, even over 8 feet indoors, but be sure to keep it in one place. It doesn't love change. Place it somewhere with steady light and no drafts, and it'll live with you for years, even decades. 4. Bird of paradise, Strelitzia reginae. Looking for a bold tropical statement? The bird of paradise is your plant. With huge banana-like leaves and the potential to flower indoors, it brings serious resort vibes into your home. It loves bright sunny spots. Think near a large south-facing window. Keep the soil slightly moist and wipe those big leaves down once in a while for that glossy finish. 5. Areca palm, Dipsis lutescens. This one brings an airy, tropical feel that instantly softens any room. The Areca palm is tall, feathery, and full without being overwhelming. It thrives in bright, filtered light and adds a nice movement with its gently swaying fronds. Keep the soil lightly moist, and it'll grow tall and lush, often reaching over 6 feet indoors. Bonus? It's pet-friendly. 6. Corn plant, Dracæna fragrans. Want something tall, bold, and low maintenance? The corn plant fits the bill. Its thick stalks and arching green leaves give it a palm-like appearance, and it grows slowly but surely into a striking indoor tree. It's very forgiving and tolerates low light, but it'll grow taller and fuller with bright, indirect light. Just water when the top half of the soil is dry. 7. Parlor palm, Chamaedorea elegans. A Victorian-era favorite that's still going strong. The parlor palm brings timeless charm and grace to any indoor space. It stays on the smaller side at first, but with patience and care, it can grow up to 6 feet. It thrives in low to moderate light and only needs water when the top inch of soil feels dry. It's one of the easiest indoor palms and perfect for beginners. 8. Dracæna marginata, dragon tree. Architectural and sleek, the dragon tree adds height without taking up much floor space. Its long, thin leaves shoot up and outward like little fireworks. It can grow up to 8 feet tall indoors and loves bright, indirect light, but will tolerate lower light conditions too. Let the soil dry between waterings and watch this sculptural plant add height and character to your home. 9. Yucca cane, Yucca elephantypes. Tough, spiky, and built to last, this desert native is perfect if you want a strong focal point. The yucca cane grows with a bold, upright trunk and sword-like leaves. It thrives on bright light and very little water. In fact, it's one of the most drought-tolerant indoor trees out there. Place it by a sunny window and let it do its thing. It's as low maintenance as it gets. 10. Norfolk Island Pine. Don't let the word pine fool you. This isn't just for the holidays. The Norfolk Island pine brings soft, feathery branches and a festive shape that works all year round. It needs bright, indirect light and consistent watering, especially during growing seasons. Treat it like a tropical plant and it'll reward you with steady growth and Christmas charm. No ornaments required. 11th. Umbrella Tree, Schefflera actinophylla. This playful plant gets its name from the way its glossy leaves fan out like little green umbrellas. It's a fast grower and can easily reach 6 to 10 feet indoors. Bright, indirect light is ideal, and it doesn't mind the occasional dry spell. If you're after a tree that's fun, fast-growing, and a bit on the wild side, this one's your guy. 12th. Fiddle Leaf Fig, Ficus lyrata. And we're wrapping up with the ultimate plant celebrity, the Fiddle Leaf Fig. With its oversized leaves and tree-like silhouette, it turns any space into a designer's dream. It can be a bit finicky, needing bright light and a consistent routine, but once you find the sweet spot, it thrives. It's not just a plant, it's a statement piece, a green sculpture that grows with you. So there you have it, 12 tall indoor trees that not only bring height and beauty to your living room, but also create that calm, refreshing atmosphere we all crave at home. Which one's your favorite? Or maybe you've got a tall plant story to share. Drop it in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. And hey, if this video helped you find your dream plant, give it a like and share it with a fellow plant lover. Don't forget to subscribe for more leafy inspiration every week. Until next time, stay leafy, stay cozy, and keep growing.